to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds.